Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn your PowerPoint presentation into a video in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, open your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Once your file is open, click on the File tab in the top left corner. Now, select Export from the menu. Next, click on Create a Video. Here you can choose the video quality, such as Full HD or HD. If your presentation includes timings and narration, make sure the option to use recorded timings is selected. If not, you can set how many seconds each slide should appear on screen. After that, click on Create Video. Choose a location on your computer, give the video a name, and click Save. PowerPoint will now start converting your presentation into a video. Once it's done, you can play and share your video like any other video file. And that's it. You've successfully converted your PowerPoint into a video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.